The first robot came to ABB Finland's switch factory in Vaasa in the 1990s. Currently, there are 24 robots and more will come in the near future. Automation has been a strong focus because the factory, competing in global markets, wanted to improve its competitiveness and serve its customers faster and with higher quality. The annual production volume is about 3 million switches. In the last 3 years, about €2 million have been invested annually in production automation and development. Assembly work is largely automated, and automated processes are used throughout the order delivery process chain, from material procurement to switch assembly and logistics. Earlier, tasks like wrapping, strapping and weighing pallets were done manually, but all of that is now done automatically. Product packing processes have also been automated and developed. RFID gates automatically register inbound and outbound materials. Through automation, the switch factory has successfully reduced the lead times of most switch types. Automation has also increased the capacity and flexibility of the factory, and production can be adjusted according to demand. In specific production cells, it is even possible to double production capacity. In the last 5 years, the annual growth rate for productivity has been about 10%. The factory's on-time delivery performance has increased from over 94% to over 98% in 3 years, resulting in happier customers. The employee sick leave rate has decreased by 30%. Automation also makes the factory an appealing workplace. Work has become physically lighter and more interesting. Today, the switch factory in Vaasa is one of ABB's most automated factories. The Vaasa factory is already living the future.